Hello friends. We are again on the same platform. We were doing ratio analysis chapter 4 of the parts 3 book, and we have started solvency ratios. Under solvency ratios we have completed two ratios. Now in this video we will complete third ratio, that is proprietary ratio. First of all, I again want to tell you about the solvency. Solvency means obligation of payment of the firm within the period of time or on the maturity date. So in case of proprietary ratio, as the name indicates, proprietary, so it is the relationship between proprietor's fund and total assets. So what is the formula for it? Proprietary ratio is equal to proprietary fund upon total assets. This ratio can be presented in pure ratio or in percentage. Now, how can we calculate proprietary fund? As we have discussed in our previous class, that proprietor fund can be calculated by two approaches. They are assets approach or liabilities approach. In case of liabilities approach, how can we calculate proprietary fund? Proprietary fund is equal to share capital, reserve and surplus, money received against share warrant. Or we can say total liabilities minus total debts. Here total debts means non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Or we can say total liabilities minus current liabilities minus non-current liabilities. In the same way, proprietary fund can be calculated with the help of assets approach, and that may be in according to assets approach, capital fund may be equal to total assets minus total debts. Or we can say non-current assets plus working capital minus non-current liabilities. Here I want to tell you about working capital. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So I think this concept is clear to you. Now in the same way, how can we calculate total assets? Now total assets can be calculated with the help of the formula, that is total assets are always equal to total liabilities. Now I am telling you about total assets is equal to total liabilities. Or we can say total assets are equal to non-current assets plus current assets, or total assets are equal to shareholders fund, non-current liabilities and current liabilities. And the pure ratio, it is expressed in terms of pure ratio or in percentage. Now we will do question on this behalf. The question is on your screen. Now in this question, you have given share capital, that is 15 lakh, and reserve and surplus is 30 lakh, and total assets are given to you, that is 40 lakh. Now we have to calculate, first of all we have to write the formula, and after that we have to calculate proprietary fund. Proprietary fund is equal to share capital plus reserve and surplus, and it is given to you 1 lakh, 15 lakh, and reserve and surplus is 3 lakh. It comes to 18 lakh. Now about the total assets are given to you, that is 40 lakh. So can we calculate proprietary ratio? Proprietary ratio is equal to proprietor's fund, that is 18 lakh, divided by 40 lakh. It comes to by 40. First of all we have to put 0, and then 4, 60, 0 to 4, it will comes to 0.45 is to 1, or if we have to convert it into percentage, 0.45 into 100, it comes to 45%. I think there is no doubt. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.